Hola, espero que tengan un extraordinario día hoy. Dibujo Saiyan se encarga de realizar ilustraciones digitales de personajes de Dragon Ball cuerpo completo. Bien, acompáñenme a ver esta increíble ilustración. Hoy presentamos el príncipe de los Saiyajin, Vegeta. Trazado del personaje.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars.
Déjenme saber lo que piensan con su estupendo comentario.
Shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know.
Denle like, compartan este video y activen la campanita para que así le llegue todas las notificaciones de Dibujo Saiyan.
We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to.
A continuación, el color del personaje.
Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy.
Comenta qué otro personaje te gustaría ver. Sombra del personaje. Daños de combate.
Shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming?
Tal vez se pregunte, quiero ver los dibujos increíbles que vi al principio. Bien, aquí te dejaré 2 videos más donde te mostraré que iré mejorando más y más en el transcurso que sigas viendo estas grandiosas ilustraciones.